Hello people, how treating Linux is going on? I am back with another video. In this video, we will talk about how to install the Onion router browser in Debian based distros. The commands are already on screen and in the description and in my blog. Copy paste, and the first command is really long and will require the SU info access. And SU, you need to have the root password. Yeah, I've already put the command in there. Now it won't give any output, the first command. Now over to the second one, which is apt update. Yeah, let me type it. Apt update command, and it's going to take a few seconds. That's it. It's working. Yeah. Now over to the third command. I use the sudo and exit the su first. The third command is going to install TOR browser on our system. It's again a fancy command copied down from the description on my blog, man. Press enter. Boom. The password for the root. This thing's gonna take some time, more than the last command. Yeah, it's done. Now over to the next step. We'll check if we've got TOR in our system installed. Let's use this menu to check it out. Yeah, it's there. It is there. TOR is on our system. But we won't launch it from there, not the GUI. We'll use the terminal, the TOR browser-launcher command. You can use the GUI instead if you want. Now this is the first time download. It's going to take some time depending upon your internet speed. It's some 75 to 80 MBs big. Not too big though. After it starts to install itself. And after the installation is complete, it will run itself on its own. And we get two options. You choose configure if you've got a proxy, or TOR is not available in your country, but I'll choose the connect option, of course. First time loading. Yeah, we've got TOR, the Onion router. You can access the dark web, the deep web, whatever you want, or even the surface web with this tool. It's really powerful, you know. It's cool. Let's search Debian in it. And we've got the result. Yeah, we've got the results. That means it's working completely fine. And the VPN also working fine because it's not showing our current country, the country that I'm from. So, meet you in the next video. That was all for this video. Stay tuned and subscribe.